Hi, it's the Trigger, Rich Bontrager. Welcome back to another Leaders and Communicators. Hey, do you have a great imagination? Really, are you a dreamer? Or do you struggle with your imagination? Put a comment down below. Yes, I'm a dreamer. I'm not a dreamer. That's childish, Trigger. No way. Let me know your feedback on your imagination, because today, leaders and communicators, I want to help you restore and reignite the power of your imagination. So often we leave it behind, we don't utilize it, but some of the best leaders in our world have been dreamers. They've been amazing men and women that have used their dreams. I'm a dreamer. I've been a professional dreamer for over 25 years. I planted a church because I'm a dreamer. And we saw the dream come alive, but it took action steps. It took planning. It took effort to work the dream, to bring it from here to reality. And today I want to share 4 points, just 4 simple points to help you get started on how to begin unlocking your imagination. Think of people like John F. Kennedy. Kennedy said, I have a dream to go to the moon. And we went to the moon. But he had to have a plan, he had to unpack the dream, and he had a team come around him to do it. Walt Disney says, I love to do the impossible. And he built this place called Disney, and where imagination and dreams come true every single day. And it's the coolest thing in the world. Now, let me also challenge you, because maybe as a leader and as a communicator, you're more the intellectual type. Knowledge is so important to you. It's all about knowledge and facts and figures. Now, those are all good. But imagination is more important than knowledge. You know who said that? Albert Einstein. One of the smartest men in all the world, Albert Einstein, says imagination is more important than knowledge. So, I'm going to give you 4 practical points on how to start reigniting your imagination today. And down below, I have a free PDF that will give you some ideas and concepts and questions to help jumpstart the process. I want to give you a tool, a tip sheet on how to do this. So make sure when we're done today to download that tip sheet here today. So number 1, you're a visionary. You're not a crazy person. Your imagination is a great tool. Let's go figure out how to use it. Number 1, start with a blank canvas. Everything is fair game for a dreamer. There is no what-if question beyond possibility. The only limitation is your imagination. That is the only thing stopping from great things, exciting things to happen. So spread out. Plan for intentional dreaming time every week. As a leader, as a communicator, find some way to do this. Write down. Get a whiteboard. Get poster board. Get a booklet that you can start writing down dreams. Put it by your nightstand. You wake up in the middle of the night. Use your iPhones or your phones and that audio recorder to actually record what dreams and thoughts come to your mind. It's a great way to do it. So let me ask you, what do you want to change or improve in your lifetime? What are you dreaming of that you would like to see come to reality in a new way? Write it down in the comments below. Let me hear your dreams here. Post the wildest, most exciting, the most passionate things that want to happen in your life. Let me hear. I love to hear about dreams. Number 2, dreams are born out of a need or a passion. There's things that keep you up at night. I'm sure they do for me. I wake up, I can't stop thinking about them, so I put a notepad by my bed. I start writing. I get up, I fire up the laptop, and I start going. We're passionate people. As leaders and communicators, there's things that are driving us to do wonderful things. What is it that you're most passionate about? What is it that you really, really want to see happen? Hey, what keeps you up at night? Start writing down those ideas, like I said. Start writing those down and look for common themes and ideas. It may seem like it's all random. Step back once in a while and read what you're writing down, and you will see themes, keywords, phrases, locations, colors. Things will start coming into view, and you'll see something maybe you've never seen before. That's where the imagination begins to take off, and it begins to have a lot of fun. And dreaming and imagination should be fun. 3rd point is you've got to research all these things that you're putting together. Everything you're writing down, you got to spend some time researching and developing your ideas. Now, when we planted a church in Rochester, Minnesota, I spent way more than a year in developmental stage. I had things all over my kitchen table. I had things on the wall. I had books. I had data material and demographic material. I wanted to understand the college young adults the best I could in our region. So before you do anything, before you go public, you want to have good research and good information. This will take time, but it's well worth the time. Don't skip step number 3. Do your research. It will be well worth the time. Number 4, dream so it comes into clarity. I used to love playing with Legos, okay? I still like playing with Legos. Let's be honest about it. Legos are cool. Okay, so Legos, you construct things out of your imagination. You got to dream with clarity. What are the building blocks? What are the resources? What are the tools? What are the other people you need? What will it take to see your dream move from here, from paper, to reality? What is it going to help you to actually do it? And write down. When I was a church planner, I would walk in the buildings and I could envision the new location. Here's where the food bar is going to be. Here's where we're going to put the stage. Here's how we're going to mount the lights. We're going to put colored banners over on that wall. What's the sight, the sound, the vibe, the taste of it, the smell of the room, or whatever it is you're in dreaming? If it's a new car, what's that new car seat going to feel like in that front seat? What's that new project going to look like? Start dreaming in actual, conceptual, real terms of clarity so you can develop this. So, those are 4 easy steps to just get you started, but I've got more for you down below. Down in the help section, down in the tabs, go and download the Trigger tip sheet on reigniting your imagination. You've got questions, you got fill in the blanks, you got some just a jumpstart resource for you, absolutely free to go get that. And there's a second resource I have for you. I mentioned Disney earlier, Inside the Magic Kingdom. It's a wonderful book. I left you the link for going to Amazon. You can find it there and in other places. But Disney is one of the best examples of a dream, an imagination that came to life, and the imagination is still alive today. It never stops. So, how's your imagination today? Let me hear from you today. You like it? Dislike it? You got questions? You got comments? Let me hear your dreams. Give me some feedback. And share this with someone you know. If you like the idea of reigniting your imagination, share it with those that need to reignite their passion and their imagination. That's it for this time. I'm the Trigger Rich Bontrager. God bless, and we'll see you next time.